the city government to transform and shape Cebu into a more modern, green, and advanced city akin to Singapore, while preserving its culture and heritage. A glance of Cebu City's future that illustrates the proposed plans of the city government in the present and how it impacts the Cebuanos in the not-so-distant future. Socializing living, plus Green Cebu, demonstrate layouts of barangays, villages, communities, and planning for public housing and the rise of infrastructures. Subways, viaducts, widened roads, cable cars, BRT, and other infrastructure projects should import connectivity in the city from the hinterlands to the coastal areas, are also aimed to fulfill the mayor's projects. The future at a glance. Mayor Michael Rama envisions Cebu City to be Singapore-like, where it is mostly advanced and modern in infrastructures, with a corruption-free government, a skilled workforce, pro-foreign investment, and export-oriented, led to a thriving free market economy that attracts international investment funds on a large scale. The essence of Cebu entails all the quintessential Cebuano icons, images, music, and dances, the staples of Sinulo, and what Cebuano culture, heritage, tourism, arts, its people, and its faith have to offer. Speaking of faith, the Señor Santo Niño, or the Holy Child, is the central figure that unites the Cebuanos to be resilient, aiming for its goal to different levels of success, while resonating the beauty of the multi-cities of Cebu, Mandaue, Lapu-Lapu, and Talisay City. Moreover, the province of Cebu, our dear beloved Cebuanos, we present to you the One Cebu Island, Sinulog 2023, a leap to the future. The growth of buildings, social housing, and condos, which emanate an ultra-modern city and various infrastructures. atmosphere, landscaping and empty spaces in the city, including center islands and the spaces under skyways, and allow more green spaces in the city.
Ako naman, hindi sa'yo talatauhan ko. Pagkalinit sa pinalangga ko, nasa buo.
That highlights the long-awaited Bus Rapid Transit, or BRT system, as well as for the light railway system, monorail system, and cable cars to provide mass transport to the growing number of workers in the city.
Kalibutan ang aking naatuan. At hindi ko gihapon